Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's just paint a simple tree which I just found on Pinterest and thought of showing the same to you guys. And painting it in watercolors is a pretty interesting thing for me since it allows the paint to flow. And even I'm new to watercolors, so just explore it, and it should be pretty simple for beginners like me, be honest. And so for now I'm just trying to sketch the basic structure of the tree. So it can be any way, you cannot just stick to a particular dimension, just let the pen flow towards the directions. And initially I started painting lighter colors so that it doesn't interfere when I start painting darker colors. If I start painting darker colors initially, I cannot do lighter upon it, so I start doing it with lighter colors and then darker colors. And painting trees, or for that matter anything, is all about looking at the dimensions and lights and colors that the light is coming from. So when the light is coming from a particular side, when it falls on a particular object, that should be in a lighter shade and the rest will be a darker shade. So I'm doing the same. I'm trying to replicate it, not as it is, but just in a way as I see. And I'm trying to put some light darker green shades in the shadow areas, and some darker burnt sienna in the areas where it is darker, and a lemon yellow in the shade where it is lighter. After that I'm just going to sketch some Christmas tree kind of thing. I'm just doing an initial sketch with a pen, just pen, or you can use pencil as well. And here also the same applies. I'm just shading and painting the lighter areas first with some lemon yellow and green, sage green, and then I'll be doing some darker shades of painting wherever the shadows are. Painting trees is like a very interesting thing, right? You need not stick with boundaries. It has tree flows anywhere, it can have branches anywhere. It's just to see what the basic dimensions and the lights and colors are, and just try to go with the flow. And this kind of loose sketching is really helpful whenever you're a beginner or just wanted to try out something creative, and this should be fine for you guys since I'm also new. It turned out really well, and that is how I wanted to show you guys. Even I want you guys to grab a sketchbook, since today is Saturday or tomorrow is Sunday. You might have free time, and it just took me like a real time painting. It hardly took me 15 minutes or 10 minutes, that's it. I just completed that, and I just forwarded or put it in speed for you guys to just refer once and do the quick painting. So this is the final look, guys. So thank you for watching.